sometimes I close my eyes and think of how my ancestors used to live, and then, yeah, I can imagine that. Now we have to work for society. Wow, that is a good picture. It has to be, dude. It has to be. I mean, you know what looks beautiful, dude? Over there, like that pet spot over there. You want to? Okay, let's go down here first. Alright, let's go over there. There's not enough, we have enough sun to get back. Oh, I just saw a fish jump in the middle. You see those fish jumping, dude, everywhere? 3 just jumped in front of us. See your long ones out. Alright, so tell us how you go about taking pictures. What a piece of shit. Keeping everything to himself. What a... Oh man, I didn't use any bug spray. I thought you already poured it. Ladies first. Camera, bro. I'm just a cameraman who always goes second. Oh, plastic. Why didn't you pick that plastic up? There's a plastic spoon about 4 yards from here. About right next by that rock over there. It's a brown. It's brown like my skin. It blends really well with the dirt. Probably why you didn't see it the first time. Nice. Put it in the bag, bro. If I see any more, I'll let you know, bro. Oh shit, a leaf. It fell off the tree. Not that kind of garbage, right? Oh shit, motherfucker! Look what you just did, motherfucker! I caught you on camera. Now you're going to jail, bitch. Pick that shit up. It's nature, motherfucker. Keep it that way. Hey, want to start a nature gang? We're like straight edgers, but we, instead of beating up people who smoke cigarettes, we beat up people who trash. Oh wait, you were telling me about that subreddit, huh? The motorcycle subreddit? Yeah, you did. Didn't you? What are you talking about? Oh, you look right here. Hey. Hey. Found some right here, bro. Yeah. Can. Only for the camera. Yeah, just for the content. You know I don't do this without the camera rolling. I usually just mind my own business. But now that you explain to me... that it bothers you so much to see other people litter, you know, I empathize with you. So every time I see one, I'll let you know, like you have asked. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Beautiful. Why, you already shipped it out? Yeah, I agree. But I do like this spot more than the other spot, more secluded, you know. But it's a little too oh shit, there are fish jumping right there though. Not down there, it's kind of flat down there. I mean, I'm down if you don't see anything unsafe. It doesn't look too unsafe to me. What? Or you want to go back over there to the other spot? You don't want to go by the water at all?